Strawberries, we have different varieties of strawberries. You have alpine strawberries, very small indeed, and you have the regular strawberries where you normally have ready by June, which is Wimbledon time, where you have your strawberries and cream. But this type of strawberry, it grows and it fruits a bit longer than the ordinary strawberry, so this time of the year it's still fruiting. And if you like to have strawberries in your garden, all you need is maybe 1 or 2 plants, because what strawberries does, they send out runners like this, and you can pot them on and they will grow. One strawberry plant with a year will give you about 20 for the following year. So all you need is maybe 1 or 2 strawberry plants in the back garden, look after it, and it comes back every year and it sends out runners like this.